What's up, everybody, and welcome to this week's video. Today, we're gonna be sewing some stuff. More specifically, we're gonna be sowing the seeds of comedy. That's right, I'm gonna be putting together a little t-shirt monster like this, except better, because that was the first try. And while we do so, I'm gonna be telling some jokes that are hopefully better than just so. I'm proud of that one. Oh, and don't worry about that guy. You'll meet him in another video. Alright, let's get started. Wipe!
Hello, I am a slug. I am a slug. Ha, look at my eyeballs. Sacre bleu, I am a French slug. My shell is a talking human. Haha. I am a slug. Or a snail.
What did the French snail say at the car dealership? As cars go, I like this one a lot. As cars go. I like this one a lot. If you do the no matter how bad the French accent is, it's French. Who am I to judge the love of a slug? Or snail? Or anyone? Who are you to judge anyone? That's probably offensive. What website do you go to get stock images of the desert? Serengeti Images. I finally bit the bullet and signed up for Grindr. But then I went on vacation to Philadelphia, and my app wasn't working anywhere. So, like the old days, I went to a bar to meet up with some people. As I was talking to someone, I asked, "Why isn't it working?" And they said, What app is Grindr?" "Oh," they said, "you're thinking of Hoagie." It's a joke about a gay dating app, but also regional sandwich colloquialisms. I'm good. I'm happy with that one. Sorry. I am a snail. Alright, I got my bobbin rethreaded, so I just need to trim these, and we'll move on to the next one. Hello? Hello? Alright, Mum-Ras and Mum-Ros. That's it for all these little kitchen towels. Now we just need to move on to the t-shirt monster. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. And we're back. Day 2. Actually, it's about a week later, but that's because getting out of bed is hard. Roll the battle build music. And there you have it. It's Lapsy, the prolapse puppet. Get yours now by DMing me on Instagram. Yours can tell jokes, sit on your shelf, just make mindless nonsense. Take your sock puppet game to the next level by sewing a t-shirt monster around the sock. Yeah, I'm Lapsy, and I approve this message. If I had a probe camera, I'd show you, but the sock was just a little too long, so basically you just take it, you put your hand in there. I'm Lapsy, the Wrangler Jeans Pro-Lapsy Puppet, and I'm here to tell you, you are needed to change the world. Alright, see you guys next week.
You can't see it in my face, cause I'm maintained. So much love run through my veins, you can't say the same thing. Why would I bleed for snakes and fangs? Yeah. God is grimy, Satan pays, and I've been trying to change ways. Passion lies in purgatory, I've been lost.